In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a template on Pagefly. Whether you're creating landing pages, product pages, or any other type of web page, sometimes starting from an existing template is a huge time saver. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Shopify. If you're familiar with this platform, you'll know it's where thousands of online stores come together. Now, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see a host of options and insights about your store. After logging in, navigate to the Apps section. This is where you'll find all the tools and add-ons you have integrated into your store. Scroll through to find the Pagefly app and click to open it. Pagefly is a versatile and powerful page builder that allows you to design professional-looking pages without needing to code. Once you're in the Pagefly dashboard, look for the section labeled Pages. This is the hub where all your Pagefly-created pages reside, neatly organized and waiting for your interaction. Here, you can create, edit, and manage your pages easily. Now, let's say you have a page you really like the layout of and want to duplicate it for another use. Scan through your list of pages or use the search bar to quickly locate the specific page you wish to duplicate. Once you find it, click on the title to access more options. When you have your page selected, look for a three-dot icon, often referred to as a More Options menu, usually found close to the page's title or settings. Clicking on this icon will bring up a menu with several options available for that page. From the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to select Duplicate. This option will create an exact copy of the page, providing you a new version to work from without altering the original. Duplicating templates is particularly useful when you're running promotions or need to maintain consistent branding across multiple pages. Keep in mind, once you've duplicated the page, you'll want to rename it appropriately to avoid any confusion in the future. You can then start editing the content, imagery, or settings on this new page as needed. And there you have it. Duplicating a template on Pagefly is a quick and efficient way to manage your site's pages while ensuring consistency and saving time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching and happy page building.